Campanian by birth, but truly Venetian by training and pictorial language, during his long and successful career, Ettore Tito combines portraits of very elegant characters from the beau monde, decoration, mythological-allegorical scenes, and images of popular life in the lagoon. Chioggia After the Rain is a luminous painting, cut like a lively naturalistic photograph that puts the scene into focus. After the storm, men, women and children start crowding the bridge and the shore back again. You almost seem to hear their voices, the sound of the waves in the background. There is also another canvas by Ettore Tito in Ricci Oddi's collection, The Nymphs, where the ethereal mythological creatures give way to the earthly and strong sensual female nudes.